they say that the game reveals itself as one of the greatest 3DS games that was ever made, and it was built by the ground up by Capcom, the poor company, which is now getting rich by this game. And this game truly delivers a great experience on the 3DS and on the new 3DS. It also has a lot of monsters, and you have to do a lot of hunting for some reason. This game is Monster Hunter 4 Ultimate for the 3DS XL. Hooray! Woohoo! Yay! The first time I've heard about Monster Hunter, I thought it was just a bad game, just like one of those RPG style games that you just move like you're playing chess or whatever. But no, it's not really that. It's actually Monster Hunter for Ultimate for the 3DS and for the new 3DS XL for people who live in the United States or whatever. And what I can say is I enjoy playing this game. This game is highly addictive. It is just so beautiful, and the monsters are great. Like, I've never played a game that is so fun in my life. To be honest with you guys, I played some other monster hunting genres or whatever, and one of them is Freedom Wars for the PlayStation Vita. And to be honest, I really did not like Freedom Wars. It just did not talk to me. It just didn't work. But anyways, Monster Hunter 4 Ultimate for the 3DS. You guys got to buy this game. You guys have to buy this game. The title says what it is. It's a game where you hunt monsters, you find them, or you kill them. Sometimes you have to capture them. The first time I got this game, I was expecting, it wasn't what I was expected, but it was better than what I expected. It's just that when the first time I got the game, it wasn't really, I didn't expect the game to be like, some village that you just look. I mean, really, I haven't really watched any YouTube videos about people, but they made it look so easy, but it was so hard at first because there was like so many things. It was like, to me, it looked like there was so many things that I had to do. And I was like, no, I ain't doing it. That looked so hard. But then once I got in the hang with it, the game often got fun, and then I was having fun killing monsters and capturing monsters. Like, one of my favorite monsters has to be the Gore Magala, which transforms into, spoiler alert, you got 5 seconds to leave this video, skip it. You have been warned. The Gore Magala transforms into the Shagaru Magala, and wow, that is one good dragon. Like, that dragon looks so beast. Like, the game, honestly, I've had fun playing this game, and it does have its again I said this, but it does have its moments where it is so hard to beat this monster that you have to change your weapon. Like, okay, that's it. Well, I'm done. I can't beat him with this weapon. I need a new weapon, and that's what I did. I got a new weapon, and what I got was a charge blade. And what it does is that it can use its like sword and shield move, and it can also turn into a switch axe type of thing. I don't know why they call it a charge blade when you can just call it a switch axe, which switches whatever. Well, anyways, guys, the game, one of the hardest monsters I've faced in Monster Hunter 4 Ultimate has to be the Molten Tigrex. Like, wow, this Molten Tigrex never stops. Once he goes into rage mode, he's like beast. Like, wow. Don't just stay away from him. For whatever you do, just stay away from him. Unless you want to commit suicide in that game, then do whatever you want. But really, don't mess with the Molten Tigrex, man. He is big. Don't let his size and his speed just like, don't judge him by his size and speed. He is very powerful, and his supersonic roar, oh my gosh, don't get me started with that. That is one of those moments when I finally beat that monster 2 times and actually upgraded my Insect Life, which was an Altair, and it went to an Altair Plus. So yeah, please guys, If I were to rate this game out of 10, I would rate it a 9.5 out of 10. The game is super addictive, super fun, and you can also play with friends. I forgot to mention that, but now I just did. So, you can also play with friends online. So, thank you guys for watching my review. And be sure to like, favorite, and subscribe. And I'll try to do better with my reviews in the future in my videos. So, thank you guys for watching, and see ya. Good luck!